is it true reseller technician cannot become a SolidWorks champion?
It's a great question. Yeah. So I would refer back to I'd refer back to the example of Alin and some of the stuff that I mentioned about select geographies. So we have at this point we have and we're again a big focus is trying to get diversity of perspective. And also acknowledging when there are very exceptional cases, right? Like where like you've been at a reseller AE for like 15 years, you have your lead AE, you've been so involved in the community beyond, a typical application engineer at a reseller. And again, we have a lot of very involved application engineers at resellers. Don't get me wrong, but I'm saying for this program today, as it's an industry commercial use program right now, it would have to be an exceptional case, I think, to warrant a bit further consideration. And that's why I bring up Lynn, because we all know Lynn's just been so involved and ingrained in the community for so long. A lead AE for so many years, has done so much for so many. So Lynn would represent sort of an exceptional case there. And again, outside of that geography piece where, let's say we don't have any champions in a particular geography, but you're an application engineer in a particular geography, I think it's important to try to get more perspectives, right? And I think that would be an area where there could maybe be an exception. But I'd say those two tend to be the typical areas where we tend to make exceptions. Again, diversity in terms of geographic reach, but also just acknowledging an outrageous contribution to the community over many years.